What's going on, guys? It's Karl here, back with the final tech unboxing of the year. Oh my god, it's crazy to think we're in December already. We've seen so much awesome tech come out right at the end or right before Christmas. Here are some of my favorites, but before we get started, we of course have a giveaway winner from Black Friday. LG Graham. Congrats, that is being shipped your way, and if you're interested in any of the items that you see today, we also have a very awesome giveaway, and that is of course, big shout outs to our sponsor for today's episode, which is Wish, the app. So Wish is an app marketplace that you can actually snag a lot of the tech that I've kind of got here. You can get anything from Bluetooth speakers around, $20 to other pieces of tech, and it just doesn't really stop there. You can grab upgrades for, say, your living room, your washroom. I got some lights, I got a new faucet, and I've seen those exact same fixtures in Toronto for a couple $100, and on Wish they were less than $50, so it was just a steal. I even got my own razor sharp Damascus steel knife for my kitchen. I kind of have upgraded a ton of things, just kind of browsing their site. And for my little tech gift to myself, I got this sick little Zelda Link figurine. I've seen this also for $50-$60 in shops, and I think I paid less than $10. And as an extra little bonus, I'll throw in $250 to one of you peeps on Wish so you can order whatever you want, and I will show you my favorite thing, which I actually got. Don't let the muggles get you down, for any of you Harry Potter fans out there. So big thanks again to Wish for sponsoring this episode, and back onto the monthly tech unboxing. The first one which we'll look at is the BE Live 5s. These are from Optima New Force, and these are some awesome sounding headphones. They've got two different pairs, the 5s as well as the 2s. The 2s are under $50, the 5s are under $100, and right now they are both on sale for a ton of money off, and just make sure you snag them before Christmas, as they are some of the best Bluetooth headphones that you can get that just kind of won't break the bank. New Force has hooked me up with a ton of pairs and of course different colorways, so this is the third little bonus giveaway for everyone. I feel like today's episode is giveaway bonanza as we wrap up 2018 in style. To the next thing, which I just took out of the box. This is the BlackBerry T2L II. So this guy is the successor to the Key 2, and oh my goodness, my tech brain is kind of fried. LE Light Edition? Someone please let me know down below, but for any of you that are into the BlackBerry game, that love to use that physical keyboard, it is something that I've truly missed. I've used BlackBerries as my work devices as they are super secure. And overall, they're just a productive beast. If you're just hammering out emails the entire day, you don't want to get distracted by a big screen playing a couple games. Just curious to hear your guys' thoughts on the BlackBerry. Is it kind of dead, or does it still have a place in 2018 and soon to be 2019? I know there are some very die-hard BlackBerry fans out there. The next thing I got isn't exactly the Pixel 3. I've kind of been hooked up enough by Google. They are always sending me gifts, but it's actually this My case that they got. I designed this myself online, and it's actually a map of Toronto. Obviously my hometown, which I love to rep, and I actually mapped out U of T, which I went to school for my undergrad and my master's, and I actually live theoretically on campus right now. That is sitting right at the back, and it's a nice little reminder, and depending on where you live in the world, what you want to do, even if you're into art or you want to upload your very own photo, you can customize your cases for your Pixel 3, your Pixel 2. If you do end up getting one, share it with me on social. I'm curious to see what you guys snag or end up creating online. Really, really dope case. I love it. To the laptops, we have two on today's episode. The first is the Samsung Odyssey. This guy is a gaming laptop beast, and I've actually just been using this for the last little bit. It's got a GeForce GTX 1060 built in. You can use it to play virtual reality games, and honestly, as a portable device, the thing is built like a tank. It's got a beautiful finish on it. It is definitely a bit hefty, but if you're looking to get into some pretty hardcore gaming and still need a portable setup, you should definitely check this guy out. I ended up doing an Instagram campaign for this guy, but have kind of fallen in love with the form factor and design. If you're looking for something a bit more lightweight, obviously you're gonna be checking out the LG Gram, one of my favorite portable laptops of 2018. Whether it's the super lightweight design, the ultra thin profile, the fact that it's got a USB-C port, the all-day battery life, the feature list kind of goes on, and it's one of my recommended picks for a back-to-school season or for any peeps that just need a lightweight, ultra-powerful laptop. And the last computer that we're kind of unboxing, I've already done a video on this guy. It is none other than the 2018 Mac Mini. I do have a brand new ultra-wide setup that is currently in progress. I will be hooking this guy up to those two LG monitors, and I'm excited to kind of play around with this guy and have it as my secondary editing machine bay. Potential editor, that will be your computer. To the tablets which kind of came out at the end of the year, this is the Google Pixel Slatebook. This is Google's answer to the iPad Pro, and although it is good, I find it very robust because of Chrome OS. I feel like I'm more productive. There are kind of two things that I love and hate about it. Build quality, although it does feel very premium, the bezels on this guy are just way too big. I get it that they do have front-facing speakers, but if you are coming from the iPad Pro, which is pretty much all display, you do see a big difference. And the fact when this guy is connected, there is a strange bit of give. It just doesn't feel premium. Once again, if you're coming from the new iPad Pro, which has magnets across the entire device, come on, Google, you cannot let that slide on a final product. I get it's your first premium tablet. I'm hoping it gets better for next year. The last thing that we're looking at, which I'm sure you've seen a ton of my videos, is the iPad Pro. I want to put this to bed for my final unboxing of the year. Can you use this guy as a standalone device? I am going to say no bueno. Just not as productive of a device as a dedicated laptop. If you are a photographer though, or you have a very specific workflow that can utilize the iPad Pro, all the power to you. You honestly just have to figure out what you will end up doing with it. Anyways, that is it for the tech unboxing haul of 2018. That was my very last one. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. My tech gift guide winner announcement will happen on December 25th. I'll make sure to have a vid for that as well, and I hope to catch the rest of you in one of my next ones or in one of my vlogs. Peace.